What's up, guys? Today I really want to share something really important, like very important to you. So today I had a setup on Volatility 15S, and this setup was for a buy because the daily time frame was still having some bullish momentum, as you can see. A rejection here, then the previous day it gave us this bullish candlestick right over here, signifying momentum in the market. So I was hoping to continue that trend with another buy right over here, today's candlestick. So the setup was on the 1 hour time frame, where my POI was right over here. This POI is based on this 3 candlestick pattern. I've seen it in most cases. This POI is made up of 1, 2, 3 candlesticks. These candlesticks, the wicks overlap each other. Hope you can observe here. There is no fair value gap left in between of the 3 candlesticks. Hope you can see this. They overlap each other, high to high, high to high. No gap is left. And this POI, I've observed it for a really long time. It's often where price it's most likely to reverse in most cases, which it did, cause on the 1 hour, after marking my POI right over here, I waited for this retracement patiently. I waited for the retracement up to this POI right over here. Hope you can see that. And once again, price gave me this beautiful rejection candlestick. Price gave me a bullish rejection candlestick to the upside. I marked the low it swept right over there on the 1 hour time frame, and straight to my entry time frame, which is the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, a market structure shift had already formed right over here. A beautiful market structure shift right over here. So I placed my buy limit at this level, at that level right over there, and targeted a 1:2 stop loss below the low, and as always I target the high. Nothing less, nothing more, a 1:2. So price, the market dished out well, but there's something I really observed today, because price consolidated around my zone for about 4 hours. It consolidated around this zone for about 4 straight hours. Hope you can see this consolidation. There was a video I made about I made a video about a certain loss I made, and this was the same scenario where price tapped me into the trade and started retracing to my SL. 1, 2, 3. 3 rejection candlesticks in my SL zone. On the previous trade, I closed the trade too early, just for me to see it reverse to my direction. This time round, I gave the trade time. I was patient, very patient, and this happened. There were 3 rejection candlesticks. Hope you can see this. 1, 2, three bearish candlesticks. They all rejected in that zone, protecting me. My stop loss protect me against the loss, or let me say from liquidating my account. And after those three rejection candlesticks, we got this one candlestick straight to my TP. Hope you can see this 1 hour candlestick straight to my TP. So the real point here is that, let me say, I have a rule which says set and forget if you trust your strategy. This is what it means, because if I had panicked and closed this trade around this second candlestick right over here, and it gave me another rejection candlestick, look how close it came to my SL, but did not tap me out and later reversed. That's how much trust we need to put in this. That's how much trust I put in this strategy. Though sometimes I panic and close the trades too early, but the safest zone to put your SL is at the rejection candlestick, which swept the low of that previous candlestick you marked. It's always the safest place to put your SL, because even the big players who bought at that level do not want their orders stopped out. That's why I also, let me say, I hide in behind those big players for us to get the protection from the market liquidation for that to happen. Because if I had not waited, if I was not patient, I would have closed the trade with a loss just to see it later reverse with just one candlestick to my take profit. So that's all for today. That's what I had to share with you. And I'm currently looking at these two trades at volatility 25, because I'm seeing a rejection candlestick over here, and I may not be able to participate in these trades, but I'm just looking out to see what the market does on volatility 25 index. Then I have on a volatility 50 index. Now this is a rejection candlestick, or let me say a bullish 4-hour bullish momentum candlestick. It swept the low right over here, the low of this previous doji candlestick, and it's currently reversing with a lot of momentum to the upside. And on the daily time frame, price is currently rallying to the upside. So I'm also looking out for those trades, and I'll also be documenting them here on my YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.